In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trigger an unsubscribe in Kit. This is really useful if you want to give subscribers a simple, one-click way to opt out of certain emails, while still keeping your list clean and compliant. We'll walk through creating the unsubscribe trigger, and then adding that one-click link directly into your emails. First, let's set up the unsubscribe link trigger inside Kit. In your Kit account, go to the Automate section, then click on Rules. This is where you define what happens when subscribers take certain actions, like clicking a link. Once you're on the Rules page, look for the option to create a new rule and click on New Rule. We're going to tell Kit what should happen when someone clicks a specific link in your email. For the trigger, choose Clicks a Link. This means that whenever a subscriber clicks the link you're about to define, Kit will automatically run the action you set up. Now you'll see a place to enter a link URL. This should be a page on your website that confirms they've unsubscribed or updated their preferences, such as a simple goodbye page or a preferences updated page. If you don't have one yet, you can use a placeholder URL while you get things set up and update it later. The important part is that the URL you enter here will be the one connected to your unsubscribe trigger. Next, for the action, choose Unsubscribe Subscriber. This tells Kit exactly what to do when that link is clicked. It will automatically remove the subscriber from the emails covered by this rule. When you're done, click Save Rule. At this point, your unsubscribe trigger is ready to use. Now let's add this as a convenient one-click link inside your email. Open either your broadcast editor or your sequence editor, depending on the type of email you're working on. In the email body, highlight the text you want to turn into the unsubscribe link. This might be something like, "Click here to stop receiving these specific updates." Try to make the wording very clear so subscribers know exactly what will happen. With the text highlighted, click the link icon in the formatting toolbar. Then, in that link dialog, look for the link triggers icon, usually shown as a small lightning bolt, and click it. You'll see a list of available link triggers. Choose the unsubscribe rule you created earlier. Once that's selected, click Add Link to attach the trigger to your highlighted text. From now on, whenever a subscriber clicks that text in your email, Kit will automatically unsubscribe them according to the rule you set, giving you a smooth and user-friendly way to manage opt-outs.